here is how to change who can see your stories on Facebook. So first of all, open main menu. If you use iOS iPhone devices, tap on three lines at the bottom right corner. If you use Android devices, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Alright, once you're here, you have two options. So basically you can tap on the gear icon over here. If you not see the gear icon over here, you just scroll all the way down until you find settings and privacy, then tap on it. Under settings and privacy, proceed to settings. Alright, next step, tap on default audience settings, then tap on custom your current settings, and then tap on next. Alright, once you're here, you just tap on who can see your stories. By default selected, of course, public. Friends, only friends can see your stories. Friend accept, hide from certain friends, and select one of your friends, and then tap on done. That means only this specific person can see your story and nobody on Facebook can't see your story. And custom, choose people to show your story to, and that means only this specific person will see your story, and tap on done to save it. And you can tap on friends accept. That means only this specific friend will not show and not see your stories, I mean.